Okay, performance level. Let's see how it goes. Okay, well, I was not paying attention to the graph, so oh well, who cares? So yeah, acceleration hasn't really improved that much as how much speed has and handling has. I mean, mostly I'd say handling has increased the most, and also speed, but the acceleration, I mean, according to torque and horsepower, I don't know how much horsepower, how much torque that is exactly. Let me see if I can find those options or somehow. I don't know. I wish I would know exactly how much torque and horsepower these cars would have once you like upgrade them. But oh well, let's go. Well, literally shifting right there. Whoa. And you call that good handling? Or maybe just bad driving? This car still gets to third gear going to 60 miles an hour, which is okay. And where was I going? That's where I meant to go. So yeah, handling is probably controllable. When going up the hills, stay in third gear. Just like last time. And then go downhill. Stay around fourth or third gear, maybe. So yeah, just going uphill, third gear, downhill, fourth gear, or maybe fifth, if you have a chance. Zero to 60. How about 4 seconds? Three seconds. Only about 2 seconds. Confirm top speed. And this time it's like 170, and most cars are like 180. So this car, it's really not impressive on speed, really. The top speed, and probably that's because of a lack of acceleration. I mean, whenever you upgrade the performance, acceleration is not upgraded fully. I mean, it could be upgraded a little bit more. Right now, I'm only at 174. I'm not going downhill, so I'm just kind of going faster. And hey, that's downhill. And I'm all in the red line. trying to go as fast as I can. So it's an okay car to race in, really. So I'd say maybe top speed really is 173. Average top speed. Right now we're at 175. 176. Average 176. Or at least was. 175.5. And I will see you on the next vehicle.